for a new digital agency.
But you're not sure where to start.
Wipe away those tears. You're inside the boxcar.
You know, I was thinking the other day, what makes the Boxcar so great? Their technological capabilities, attention to detail.
I think it's that they look so good doing what they do.
Actually, I think it's something else entirely.
What's that, Shauna?
Yeah, spit it out.
I think it's the creative.
Yeah.
In fact, it's funny we should be talking about this because I have some examples of our creative work right here.
Right where, Shauna?
Right here. In the palm of my hand. Creativity, imagination, a speedy response. If you can do this sort of thing with this kind of magic, think about what they could do to the internet. No, to the world! Wow. Calm down, you're losing control. Your mom's losing control. That was rude.
Rude but insightful.
But more rude, right?
No, it was more insightful, but you looked good.
Oh, okay.
That's just another one of the many sides of the Boxcar. For more information, check out our other well-hosted and expensive videos on the Boxcar's culture and technology.
Oh, and feel free to poke around our website for case studies, blog entries, and more. And don't be afraid to reach out and ask us any questions or comments. We're always here to help you with your business.
Till next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Just curious, how good did I look?
Well, not as good as me, but better than Jim.
Okay, how much better? Lots or a little?
Lots.
I think I look better than everybody.
You smell good.